In dividing integers, the rules is exactly the same in multiplying integers. So if we have positive divided by positive, the answer is positive. For example, if you have 24 divided by 6, the answer is 4. While if you have negative divided by negative, the answer is positive. For example, negative 15 divided by negative 3, so the answer is positive 5. And if you have positive divided by negative, the answer is negative. Let's say 42 divided by negative 7, the answer is negative 6. And lastly, if you have negative divided by positive, the answer is equal to negative. And example, if you have negative 10 divided by 5, the answer is negative 2. Okay, that's all. Bye.